Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so already, it really helps. So today I'm going to bring you a review, a long-term review. I've been using this device for more than 1 year now. It's a cheap wireless phone charger. It's a 3-in-1 charger for your Apple Watch, for your iPhone, and for your AirPods. And it's a 3-in-1 device that I paid under 18 Canadian dollars approximately a year back, and I bought it from AliExpress, and I bought it directly from China. You can find similar items. I'm not going to share a link with you because, as is the case with AliExpress, sellers open and close stores so often, so by the time you might click on the link it might already be broken. So you can just go on the site and look for 3-in-1 wireless chargers, and I'm sure you'll come across this one. I bought this because I wanted something simple for my bedside table, and I wanted it to be not too expensive, and all I needed to do is slowly charge my phone up. So I have a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I wanted the phone to be charged slowly overnight, and wireless charging is a good solution in my book for that. I know I can use a slow USB-C charger, but I did not want the hassle of plugging it in and taking the plug out every single morning, so this is just easier. This is compatible with Magsafe, and you might be thinking, hold on, Samsung phones do not have Magsafe. So that's where these cases come in. So this case is from a company called, right here, Nilkin, if I'm saying it right. So this has built-in Magsafe. So let me show you how that works. So you see, it just snaps. There's nothing holding it on the device itself, on the charger, besides the Magsafe magnet. So you see, that's a very good solution for me, and the wireless charging works. Similarly, this is an iPhone 13, and this has built-in Magsafe. As you guys know, Apple is the company that pioneered magnetic attachments for wireless chargers. As far as I know, I might be wrong, but yeah, it does work with both iPhones and Android phones. At least it works with my Android phone, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This watch charger does not work with any of the Samsung watches. But this AirPod charger is a standard wireless charger, so you can use it to charge your AirPods. I'm going to demonstrate that in a few moments, and also you can use it to charge another phone, but it's going to be very, very slow. So there's not a lot going on. The angle is not adjustable. Just one thing to note, you can adjust the height of the wireless charging coil. So if you have a smaller phone, maybe you wanted to touch this silicone/rubber support on the bottom, or if you want your phone to be in the landscape orientation, so you can change the height of this wireless charging coil. So let me show you its features. There are not a lot of features, but I thought I should demonstrate it anyways. So it takes a USB-C power, and they ask you to have quick charge 3.0 compatible power supply. So that's what I have right now. So now I plugged it in, and as you can see, it does have a built-in night light, and it has 2 touch-sensitive keys right here. So you can turn the night light at different brightness levels and colors using these keys. So you see, 1, 2. So basically it's a warm white, it's a cold white, it's a daylight temperature, and then it goes off, and you have more than 1 brightness levels. So I'm just going to see it. You see, it changes the brightness levels. Or it used to. Yeah, I don't really like touch controls. That's why I don't like them. So it can serve as your night light as well. So I'm just going to show you by placing, I'm just going to turn it around, and I'm going to place my AirPods. I think you might have heard the beep. So let's try that again. There you go. So it does charge AirPods. AirPods also work here. And similarly, because of the Magsafe, AirPods also work here. You see the green light? Let's try that again. It's too bright outside today. There we go. All right. Now let's try charging the iPhone. So once again, this is the iPhone 13. I'm just going to attach it. So I'm just going to put it like this so you can see the wireless charging animation. There you go. So this device does advertise that it supports up to 15 watts. I don't have any way to check that it can actually do 15 watts, but that's what it claims. Similarly, if I use my Samsung phone, you can see right here that it does say fast wireless charging. So let me see if I can focus on that. I'm going to take it off and put it back on so you can see that prompt that says fast wireless charging. You see? Fast wireless charging. There we go. So in the Samsung world, anything that's more than 7 watts, I think that's what prompts the fast wireless charging prompt to come on. So yeah, it's a very simple device. It's cheap enough, and I don't need it to do a lot more than what it already does. It would have been nice that if I could use this to charge my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, but that does not happen, so I have to use another charger that came with the watch itself. But other than that, it has been a good addition to my bedside table, and I use this every single night to charge my phone. And in Samsung phones, you can set it up so it only does slow wireless charging. It does not allow for fast wireless charging, and you can set up routines so that only happens during the night. So between, let's say, 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning, anytime I do wireless charging, the phone is always going to revert back to slow wireless charging. So it's going to charge up very, very slowly on this. So that's what I wanted. So yeah, and I don't have to deal with any cables. In the morning, I just pick my phone up, and that's it. I don't have to unplug any cables. So yeah, this does exactly what I needed to do and nothing else. So this has been my review of this 3-in-1 cheap Magsafe wireless charger from AliExpress. I will see you guys in the next video. Till that time, bye.